happened. I was nice to the guy. He was nice. Let's see if you can see him. Yep. He's writing me a ticket. The other guy didn't get pulled over, just me. I'm gonna wait and see. Alright, here he comes.
What series is this car, sir?
It's a 3 Series.
325i or?
Yes.
Come on, 823-823-23823, 1049.
104989. Alright, last question for you.
Yes, sir.
Not trying to insult you. Are you Hispanic, Islamic, African American, English, or from the Middle East area?
I'm from the Middle East area.
Okay. Because we have to decide what your origin is.
Does that matter?
It goes on our citations. It's for stats to determine basically when they do a big random search, how many Anglos, how many blacks, how many Hispanics, how many Asians are stopped. So we don't see the results of these stats, but they asked for it, so we put it on here.
Okay.
That's the only reason I asked.
Okay.
And because you had the name that you had, I wasn't sure if it was Middle Eastern or if you're going to be African American, so I asked.
Okay.
I didn't think you were a Native American.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Had you been Native American, then I would cite you into a tribal court. You're going to have 3 options today, okay? Depending on what your record looks like in the past. If you have not been to traffic school in the last 2 years, you have the right to go to traffic school. That information is located right here. Contact them and set up a school date before May 9th. By going to the school, there will be no points against your license and the ticket goes away. It's like it didn't happen. But for the next 2 years, you can't go back to school if you get another moving violation, okay? If you choose not to go to the school or you're not allowed to go to the school, contact this court. They'll tell you what the fine's going to be. Put a money or a check in this envelope, mail it to this address.
Okay.
Third option, if you choose to contest the citation, you'd go on May 9th, 2012 at 8:30 in the morning at the same address that's circled on the envelope.
No, I can't do that. That's the day of my final, so.
Need your signature right here next to the X.
That's to show up on that day?
You can extend the court date if you need to.
Okay. So I can just sign it before I extend it, right?
Well, the signature is not admitting guilt or responsibility. It states stating that you received a copy of the citation.
Okay.
And it's what it states right here. Without admitting guilt or responsibility, I acknowledge receipt of this complaint. I believe is the actual wordage.
Okay. Thank you.
Who taught you to put your keys on the hood, the roof?
I just moved in from New York to have it.
Alright.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright.
Do you have any questions for me?
Okay. No, that's it.
Alright, you be safe today, okay?
Thank you.
Speed limit is 35, so watch out. We'll be out here a lot.
Thought I was going pretty slow.
You're dipping, man.
You too.